Here we come out with a maths quiz series for children. It's meant for the kids studying in classes 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th, the primary children. You all know that maths is supported by 3 basic elements. One is logic, second one skills, the third one passion. We have kept all these in mind while designing these maths quiz series for kids. I request parents to derive the maximum benefit from our quiz series in enabling their children grow up and do well in mathematics. Here we go ahead with the first issue. The question will appear on the screen. Each question will have 4 options. The child will be given 5 seconds time to think over. After that, we will discuss the answer. I'll even let children know as to how the answer has been arrived at. Children have to concentrate these few minutes as the quiz progresses to get the maximum benefit from it. Okay, now we will move ahead with the quiz. The first question is here. Subtract 538 from 765. Answer A 722, B 170, C 227, D 155. Children, the usual practice you have in the class is to subtract one number from the other. Here from 765 you have to subtract 538. In the normal method, if you have to subtract and find out the answer, it will take quite some time and you have to check again. But here I would suggest to deduct only the units place. The units place is 5 here. It's 8 here. Subtract 8 from 5. You cannot. So you have to borrow 110 to units place. It will be 15. 15 minus 8, you know, it is 7. So find here as to where the units place has 7. Here it's 2, 0, here it's 7, here it's 5. Answer can none other than be C. So 227 is the answer. I have not done the entire problem. By taking a clue from whatever I know, adopting the skill, I have arrived at the answer. Answer is 227 because as you subtract, you get in the units place number 7. That has to be the answer. Okay, question number 2. 6 times 100 is equal to 600, 806, 1200, 900. Zero in units place, 0 in tens place, 6 ones are 6. The answer has to be 600. Third question. 80 divided by 8. The answer is 88, 10, 100, 80. It's simple. 80 divided by 8. 8 goes once here. And 0, here you get only 0. So it is 1, 0 or 10. B gives you the option 10. That's the answer. Fourth question. 11 plus 22 plus 66. The sum is 900, 100, 88, 99. Again, you have to apply the skill. You need not do the entire problem. At the units place, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. The same numbers repeat in the tens place. So the answer has to be 99. D is the answer. Fifth question. How many wheels do 8 cars have? 32, 16, 18, 24. A car has 4 wheels. So that's not been given. You know it. We assume. So 8 into 4. One car has 4. How many wheels do 8 cars have? 8 into 4. It is 32. You should be good at maths tables. Question number 6. Simplify 25 plus 18 minus 23. Answers are 30, 20, 31, 43. Again, a question where you need application skill. 25 plus 18, if you keep on adding, it takes some time. Again, you have to deduct 23. It will take some more time. Here, 25, you deduct 23 first. 25 minus 23, you tell within a flip of a second that the answer is 2. Add 2 to 18. It's simple. It's 19, 20. The answer is 20. B is the option. 7th question. How many digits are there in 7,000? 7, 3, 4, 1. You know maths. 7,000. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. There are 4 places here. 4 digits are there in the 4 places. So, C is the right option. 8th question. How much is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7? 77, 700, 35, 75. Should you go on adding up all? It will take lot of time. Count number of 7s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 5s are 35. Where is it? It's here. C is the option. C is the correct option. Answer is 35. 9th question. How many hours make 180 minutes? Answers are 6, 5, 4, 3. An hour has 60 minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes. We have to decide how many hours are 180 minutes. 60 plus 60 plus 60. Answer should be 3 hours. Or in 60 you have a 0, leave it out. 180 you have a 0, cancel it out, 0, 0. 18 by 3, 18 by 6, it is 3. 3 hours. D is the answer. Last question. Arrange these numbers in the ascending order. 20, 4, 17, 13, 39. The 4 options are given. You have to find out the correct option. Your time starts here. Yes, you need it in the ascending order. That means the smallest number should come first. Which is the smallest one? 4. Next comes 13. Next comes 17. Next comes 20. Next comes 13. 9. Now here, you need not do even that much. Which is the smallest one? 4. Where else do you have 4 to begin with? You don't have anywhere. A is the only option which starts with number 4. That has to be the answer. This is where the application skill helps you. You come to know the answer within no time. Okay, you must have enjoyed it. Thank you.